So yeah, man, if you guys want to see the process and if you guys want to see the transformation of how I got from this to this, then definitely make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the end result of the hair now, yeah, and I know there's like certain parts of the hair that looks outgrown. You guys know, if you guys been watching, you guys know that I literally just took down my 6-month-old braids, guys. Like literally, if you guys haven't seen that video yet, definitely make sure you guys go check that out, because boy, it was rough, like for real. So yeah, man, like I know some guys, yeah, they normally trim first and then do their hair, but with me, yeah, I'd rather do my hair first so that the hairdresser can use any hair that she needs to use, yeah. And then once I'm finished getting my hair done, yeah, I just go to the barbers, and then basically the barbers will just add all the finishing touches. So that's when the barbers will like neaten up everything. So yeah, it just gives like a much like cleaner result as opposed to trimming first and then getting your hair done, if that makes sense. So Mandem, if you guys are out there, yeah, then you guys take notes in it. But yeah, man. So that was the end of the video, guys. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the love and the support that you guys have been showing me so far. And if you guys are out there, whether you guys like are a male or whether you guys are like a female, I really do hope that I can give you guys like a little bit of inspiration for your next hairstyle or like your next hairdo as well. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much once again for watching. Make sure you guys like, you comment, you subscribe, you transcribe, you prescribe, you describe, you all of that, man. Yeah, thank you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I'm gone.